Welcome back to QFitsView. In this video we'll talk about table data mode. In other words, working with fits table files and display. In the simplest form, a 1D spectrum or a 2D image can be displayed as a table of values, a bit like a spreadsheet. I've loaded a spectrum and image by using the menu View Table. We can see them as numbers. You can then select columns or rows or blocks of data. So I'll select a column and then I do right click, copy selection to new buffer. There's the results. Or I can go select a row. Again, right click, copy selection to new buffer. Or I can select a block of data like this, right click and then copy selection to new buffer, and there's the data as an image. This works in just the same way as copying subarrays from a 2D image, and in fact you can see this exactly with the DP user functions. There is also a DP user function to set the data as permanently a table or as an image, and it's the set fits type function. Set fits type, in this case we're looking at buffer 5 / bin table, and then it reverts back if you do set fits type buffer 5 image in this case. The same thing can be done if we look at a 1D image, in other words a spectrum, and then we do view as table, and as you can see there we've got the values. View as image. Note that the set fits type sets the method of display permanently to bin table or to image, whereas the view menu just sets it temporarily. You can also load real fits binary tables. Here is an example. File, open, table example 1, and I'll load the background light curve extension. You'll see here that you can not only load the whole extension, you notice that the columns have specific names, in this case time, count rate, etc. In this case, you can only copy a column to a new buffer, like that. Copy selection to new buffer. You cannot copy a block. I'm right-clicking and nothing's happening. And you also cannot copy a row. I'm loading another example. This shows that when you select a number column, you get a spectrum display below. For instance, is this one. And as you can see, we have this, quote, spectrum display, unquote. But when you click on a text column, you do not. That's all for this video. Check out other videos on our YouTube channel.